Guangzhou Dingli Hot Molding Technology Co., Ltd. Innovation is the core driving force of our development, and these patent certificates are the testament to our innovation-driven growth. It shows our most innovative field and offers products. It combines the wisdom of designers with excellent craftsmanship. The design and development team has rich industry experiences and keep developing new products. Multi-processes raw materials inside this system, which ensures excellent quality. The introduction of international advanced hot molding technology, the aesthetics and durability of the products are improved. We pursue perfect quality and pay attention to product details to guarantee the best service to our customers. Guangzhou Dingli Hot Molding Technology Co., Ltd. sincerely invites you to join us to create the brilliant times together.